Check it out, guys. I've just done the video for you. This is garlic chicken madras recipe, Indian restaurant style. Bit of a twist to the chicken madras, but that twist takes the madras to a whole new level, guys. It's a game changer. You can use lamb on it as well as other protein if you want to. Here's the base gravy that I've just used. Right, there we go, guys. Enjoy the recipe, and I'm going to enjoy this now, and I will see you on the next video. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this week's video. It's Babel from the Bengali Cook. Guys, firstly, thank you so much for your patience whilst we come back with loads more recipes for you. This week, guys, I will be making garlic chicken madras. Now, chicken madras is one of the favourite dishes when it comes to BRI restaurants. If you add some garlic onto it with a little bit of secret ingredients I've got, it turns out to be absolutely amazing. Having said that, guys, hope you guys are well. If you guys are new to the channel, please give it a like, subscribe, and we provide lots of video tutorials on how to cook Bengali and Indian restaurant style dishes, guys. So let's get cracking on with our curry today, which is garlic chicken madras. Okay, firstly, guys, I'll go through the ingredients with yourself. If you want to use lamb or veg, you can use those as well. I'm choosing to use chicken today for our recipe. So we've got 1 teaspoon of mixed curry powder. Now, against my recipe, I'll leave a link below so you can look through that. I've also got 1 tablespoon of chili powder and just under 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Again, add them to your taste. We've got some salt. We've got the garlic here. We've got some lemon juice. You can use a fresh lemon juice if you've got some. I've got some coriander, a couple of tomatoes and some green chillies. Having said that, guys, and also we have got our tomato puree paste just over there. So let's put the heat on and let's get cooking. Right, we're going to add some oil. About just over 1 chef spoon of oil in there, guys. So comment below, guys, how was you? Oh, by the way, happy new year to everyone. Hope it's an amazing one, guys. Stay safe and enjoy, make the most out of it. So we're going to add our garlic. So I've got 3 cloves of garlic in there, finely chopped. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to leave it on medium heat and just get this to become golden brown. Right, here we are, guys. You can see that the garlic has started to change colour, and you can smell the aroma coming from the garlic. By the way, here's the base gravy I showed you on the shorts video yesterday. There, it's just been simmering away nicely. Right, so back to our curry. So first thing we're going to do, guys, now is we've got a pinch of fenugreek leaf, Methi. Get that in there. We're going to add our tomato puree paste now. So again, good. Look at that. And straight away, we're going to add in our mixed powder, chilli and black pepper. And we're going to add a pinch of salt. So add salt to your taste. All we're going to do now, guys, is cook the spice really well. Tiny bit of base gravy. There we go. If you enjoy chicken madras, guys, the black pepper and the garlic just takes it to a whole new level. So this is definitely a must try one. Well, it's been just over a minute or so, guys. I'm going to add my chicken in there now. This is a pre-cooked chicken. Again, if you want to use pre-cooked lamb, you can use a lamb or veg or anything like that, guys. There you go. So heat up slightly high, and again, I'm still cooking the masala out now. Almost forgot our lemon juice. Let's get our lemon juice in there. So about just over a teaspoon of lemon juice in there, guys. Look at that. Let's zoom into that for you guys. Look at that. That looks there. Look at that. That looks delicious. Let's add some of this gravy now. Give this a nice and good mix. And there you have it, guys. Our garlic chicken madras is there. Now we're just gonna get the gravy and everything combined together, make the sauce slightly thick, and then it's ready to eat. We are gonna add some tomatoes and some coriander. Cooking BIR at home causes a lot of cleaning, doesn't it? Look at it, all splattering everywhere. But it's all good. It's all worth it there. Okay guys, it's been about a couple of minutes that it's been cooking away. And you can see the oil has been raised to the top. What you can do with the oil, guys, just get the excess oil and you can put it back in our base gravy because we can use it again. I'm going to add a couple of green chillies, a couple of pieces of tomatoes, and a good handful of coriander. As you know, with BIR cooking, guys, once you've done the prep work, everything else, the curry, everything else comes together within about 10 minutes or so. Fantastic, guys. So this is ready. Here we go. What do you guys think of this recipe, guys? Give it a go. Let us know. And now that's my garlic chicken madras ready, guys. Check it out. There you go. There has been quite a bit of oil in this recipe. Now what you got to think about, the gravy's also got a recipe. When I pre-cook the chicken, that's also the gravy's also got oil in. The pre-cooked chicken's got oil in. Also the tomato puree paste, when I prepare it before, that's also got oil in. Plus we also add oil in the pan when we first start. So again, this is a good way to reduce the excess oil. Here you go, guys. Look at that. If you want it to be more saucy, guys, add more gravy and to make it saucy. But other than that, guys, this is our garlic chicken madras coming from you from Bengali cook recipe. Other than that, guys, I will look forward to seeing you on our next video, and we are going to make them more regular, just like before, guys. So thank you ever so much. Enjoy the recipe, drop us a comment, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.